Man. Info, good afternoon, winner 518 Alpha.
18 Alpha, pleasant good afternoon, Saba info with you.
Yes sir, good afternoon, estimating your field at 2-1. The crew on board is going to be Captain Nisbet and First Officer Arundel.
Winner 518 Alpha, Roger, active runway 12, wind 080 degrees, 16 knots, altimeter setting tree 0.01, temperatures 29 degrees, negative reported traffic in the area, advise approaching final.
Alright, calling back when approaching final, 3001, first checklist complete. Gentlemen, in preparation for landing in Saba, kindly ensure that your seatbelts are securely fastened, keeping the feet and arms clear. We'll be on ground shortly. Thank you for choosing Winnow, and we do wish you a pleasant stay in Saba. Thank you.
Alright.
Falcon 1, people landing. Flaps is full, press full. Taxi light. Landing lights on, caution panel is clear. Weather radar is off, cabin is secured. And landing clearance is not required. Full landing checklist complete. Good. Winner 518 Alpha, turn and final.
518 Alpha, wind 080 degrees, 14 knots, runway clear.
Copy that, 518 Alpha.
Full landing complete.
Yes sir. Final 1-2, winner 518 Alpha.
518 Alpha, wind 070 degrees, 13 knots.
500. 400. 300. 200. 100. 10.
518 Alpha, on time 25.
518 Alpha.
And later. And lights off after landing check.
After landing.
Thank you for turning on the window without me asking.
After landing check is complete.
Sure.